Hello and welcome everyone. In this short video, I'll explain you some Google Format basic essentials. I'm going to be talking you through today on how to save your files, where to save your files, how to move files away, how to create PDF versions of your Google Formats. So we're currently in our Google Drive, and as a testing purpose, let's just try to create a new presentation, a Google Slides presentation. So basically, if you're gonna start creating a document, you're going to go to new, but really important one. If I'm going to create new now here document, it's because Google automatically saves all changes. Your document is automatically going to be saved here in your My Drive. If you want to create something in your test 2, for example, I'm going to have to open it up and create it right here. Okay, that's just one basic rule. So I'm going to just do it in my Drive. I'm just going to click new slides. I'm going to start from a blank presentation. I'm going to give it a name, test for training. Oh, sorry, I'm not typing. Test for training. Hop. Don't need a subtitle here. So we're creating the slide. What is important now for just pure basic essentials? So we've created the presentation. As you can see, all changes have been saved to Drive. So whatever I'm typing here is gonna save. So you see here, whatever I'm doing, deleting or adding, Google is automatically saving those changes. So all changes have been saved to Drive. So if I go to my Drive, I indeed see here an untitled presentation. So what is really important, because you're going to get used to that automatic saving, you're just going to create your presentation, you're going to close it, and then your My Drive is going to end up with a lot of untitled documents in there, and you're not going to be able to figure out which document is what. So really important here to add your title. If you first create your title here, if you click, automatically it's autofills. But let's say I want to delete those exclamation marks. Hop, I save it for my training. Okay, so now my document is saved on my general My Drive. If I do want to put it in a certain structure and I have the document open, I can always choose here on the folder icon to move it. So you see, as if you hover over it, it says move to. I can click it. And now in my Drive structure, I can even go a level up and I can save it to a certain team drive where I want to save that document. Or in this case, I want to go into my Drive and I want to save it in my test folder. Test folder 2, up, and I just choose move here. Okay, so really easy, basic. If you create a document, make sure you choose the correct location to create it, or afterwards name the document and move it here with the folder icon. Really basic. Now also, let's say we're creating this presentation and I know I need to fill in the user list here, and I know I have somewhere in a Google Sheet in my Drive, I have the user list, but I don't want to leave my document, of course. So what we can do is here, go to our explore function, and this explore function allows you to also search your docs and your web. So I can go here and I can just search for test, because I know that the document is called test something. See web searches, images, or I can just go to my Drive. Here it is, test spreadsheet. I open it up. Okay, this was a user list that I needed. I'm just gonna copy this information, hop, and I'm gonna paste it in here. I'm gonna paste it unlinked. As you can see, hop, quick as easy as that. I have my user list in here without ever having to leave my document. So the Google search, cloud search is automatically integrated in your Explorer here. So really easy. You don't have to leave the document to go and search for other files. Now, let's say we finished our presentation and we want to send it over to a person, to our customer, to whoever, but you want to send it over as a PDF version. How to do that is really easy as well. You just go here to File, and instead of saving it, let's say, because it automatically saves, you're going to choose to download as. where with Office tools you would say save as. Here you go to download as, and you can choose. You can save it into a PowerPoint, you can save it into a PDF, in a picture format. So here, if I just choose PDF, you'll see that automatically the PDF is downloaded and you're good to go. You have an offline version of this document in PDF, which you then can reuse to send over by email or stuff like that. Okay, so those were just quick essentials which I wanted to share with you on the Google formats. So those apply also to Google Docs and Google Sheets. In this example, I showed it now in Google Slides, but those are basic principles that also apply to the other Google formats. I hope this was a bit interesting to you. Thanks for joining in, and catch you on the next one. Thanks, bye.